Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the railway mega recruitment 2021 guys. So here the huge number of vacancies are there. Okay, total the 3000 plus vacancies are there from the railway recruitment board guys. And we got this notification just today. Okay, and while coming to the selection procedure for this one is there is no exam and no interview. Okay, direct selection depending upon the applications or else the merit list guys. Okay, so please utilize this opportunity. And whoever your colleagues are there or else your friends are there, so please don't forget to share this video to them. It will be very much helpful guys, okay, to them in this pandemic situation. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Southern Railway engagement of ACT apprentices, and here the date and time of closing this online application is 30th June 2021, okay, evening 5 o'clock. Okay, so hurry up guys. And here the three different types of notifications are there. One is the notification for carriage works, okay, Perambur, and next one is the central workshop, okay, and the next one is notification for the signal and telecommunication workshop. Fine. So first we will see the notification, okay, one by one. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video guys. Okay, so here you may check down. It is a notification, and here the total 9 pages are there. So I will just tell you whatever the important points. So opening date of online application June 1st 2021, and the date of closing of online application is 30th June 2021. And here who can apply? Candidates residing in the following locations or area falling within the geographical areas of the Southern Railway alone are eligible to apply. So I check down the whole state of Tamil Nadu and the whole union territory of Puducherry and the whole state of Kerala. Next, whole union territories of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands, and only the two districts of AP, namely SPSR Nellore and the Chittor, and only one district of Karnataka. So here applications complete in all respects should be submitted online till the closing date by visiting the website. So here the official website is also given here. So you can fill up the online application form in this official website guys. And you may check down the fresher category vacancies are there in the fitter, welder as well as painter. The total 60 vacancies are there. And coming to the railway hospital, medical laboratory technician, total 80 number of vacancies are there. And next one, carriage and wagon works, Perambur, here the total 170, and under the electrical workshop 120, and loco works 214, and engineer workshop 67 vacancies are there. And next, while coming to the Chennai division, advanced welder, electrician, electronics, mechanic, fitter, machinist, turner and welder, total 60 vacancies. And here under the Chennai division, fitter and electrician 80 vacancies, and TBM 60 vacancies, and DSL TNP 7 vacancies are there. And in the CNW mechanical 40 vacancies, and RPM 27, and railway hospital Perambur, okay, so 856 vacancies are there. Fine. So total here 936 vacancies are there. So vacancies indicated above are only tentative and they may subject to change. Okay, and the eligibility of person with the disability candidates are also given here. So check down clearly, and the disability certificate must be you have to submit. And coming to the fresher category, the academic qualifications for fitter, painter and welder should have passed 10th class under 10+2 system of education or else its equivalent, and medical laboratory technician should have passed at 12th under 10+2 system of education with physics, chemistry and biology. And while coming to the ITA category, should have passed 10th under the 10+2 system, and ITA course in the relevant trade in government recognized ITA is must guys. Okay, coming to the electrician, the same qualification has to be maintained, and in electronics mechanic, while coming to the PASAA should have, and coming to the PASAA, the candidate should have passed the 10th class, okay, 10+2 and national trade certificate must be there. So minimum 50% marks in SSLC are not applicable for the SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Okay, so period of training is also given here, so you may check down. and the rate of stipend is also mentioned. For freshers only 10, 6,000, and for 12th 7,000, and for ITA also 7,000 rupees per month. Okay, and age limit is also given here, 15 years of age and should not have completed 22 or 24 for the freshers, and the upper age limit is relaxable as per the government of norms. Okay, and mode of management is also given here. Okay, so you may check down. So processing fee is 100 rupees that you have to pay through online, guys, and the physical fitness as well as medical examination must be done, and the mode of communication through SMS or else the email only to the selected and the eligible candidates. Okay, engagement and the contract is also given here, so you may check down, guys. Fine. So these are the details here. So in the mode of engagement, you can check down the selection procedure. The selection will be based upon the merit list prepared in respect of all the eligible candidates who apply against the notification. So there is no interview and there is no written test and all. So based upon the merit list, they are going to directly select. Okay. So while coming to the freshers category, marks obtained in matriculation will be converted for 200, and merit list will be drawn based upon the converted marks. Okay. And similarly for ITA as well as the MLT also they given here. For ITA, marks obtained in the matriculation converted into 100 marks plus ITA marks duly converted into 100 marks, and the total 200 marks they will prepare the score. And coming to the MLT, marks obtained in higher secondary will be converted into 200 and then they will select the merit list. Okay. Next one, notification for the central workshop. Okay, Golden Rock. So if you click on that one and then you will be directed to this one. Okay, and here the last date is 30th June 2021. So whatever the areas that we mentioned in the previous notification, the same areas here also. So coming to the freshers and ITA candidates for central workshop. Okay, Ponmalai. Here the total number of vacancies of 334 are there, and ITA candidates for the Tiruchinnappalli division 217 vacancies, and for Madurai division 149 vacancies are there. Okay, so these are the conditions, guys, and disabilities also, what are the conditions are given here. So coming to academic qualification, under the fresher category, same, whatever the previous qualification we saw, the same thing also mentioned here for ITA category. Okay, as well as for the remaining also. And you please check down the age limitations, and so emoluments is also same. The stipend amount is also same mentioned here. Okay, and coming to the next one, notification for the signals and telecommunication. So here the last date is for this one also 30th June 2021, and whatever the areas mentioned here, so these area candidates has to apply, guys. And the number of vacancies here, that under this one the 36 vacancies are there. And coming to the signal and telecom, total 59 vacancies are there. And the Trivandrum division 683, and Palghat division, the total including all the departments, total 1 or 2 vacancies are there. And the signal and telecom 666, and the Salim division 80, and the carriage wagon E-road under Salim division 61. Okay, and electric loco 70, and ministerial and general admin 31. Okay, so including all the 3 notifications, we got the total 3,000 vacancies are there, guys. So utilize this opportunity who are having the qualifications, guys. So here the qualifications means 10th class, 10 plus 2, as well as the ITA candidate. So for these candidates, here the opportunities are there, and selection will be purely based upon the merit list, guys, as well as the physical fitness is also very important. Okay, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so please go through in this one, guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notification. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. If not required, stop the video here itself. Thank you, guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.